Here with San Dimas football player Jordan Taylor. Jordan, you talk about this first week of practice. Your coach is really running a lot of plays. It seems like you're preparing for the championship already, but it's just the first week of practice.
Nah, it's just one game at a time. Just gotta play hard and get better each step of the way. Each practice, keep playing hard. Just gotta get used to everything coming back.
You know,
one game at a time.
Last year you guys were playing for a championship. This year you're defending it. Can you talk about having that bullseye on your back and how you guys are prepared for it?
I'm not really thinking about just winning the championship off the bat. It's just one game at a time. You know, just gotta keep working hard at everything we do. You know, first game is Bonita, but it's another game.
Is it just another game? I mean, talk about the smudge pot in week 0, first game to kick off the season.
It's a game you want to win, but it's not really. You know, if we lose, you know, I'm gonna be down. But
you sound like Kobe Bryant in the NBA Finals trying to play down the Celtics.
Nah, it's just another game. You got to just keep working hard, one game at a time. You're not really thinking about it so much. You know, it's not that big of a deal to me.
Talk about this offense because it's kind of unique in the Valley. The wing tee, you guys run it so well. I mean, how mentally prepared do you guys have to be to know your assignments? We
gotta just be focused and just be prepared about everything. Got to know what I'm doing and then what the next person doing. We got to just play for each other and just.
And talk about the schedule. You got to be pretty excited. I mean, not just Bonita. You got Rancho Cucamonga, which is going to be a real chore this year. You got the rematch with Monrovia, and then the Valley Vista League is going to be a little different this year with Wilson in it.
So it should be fun. It's just hard work. You know, not really thinking. I believe we can win any game. We can lose any game. So we just got to play
sure.
football.
Very good. It's Jordan Taylor. Thanks for joining us this morning. Good luck.